Tornadoes. We all love or hate them. In the United States, there are between 1,000 to 1,400 tornadoes that impact the country each year. Luckily, the National Weather Service exists to assist us in telling us if there is a tornado or not. There are two watches and five warnings that relate to tornadoes, and I'll go through all of them and tell them what they mean, what might happen, and how to tell the difference between them. Starting out with tornado watches, so they are issued when you have around a 5% or greater risk of a tornado from the SPC, which is the Storm Prediction Center. This means that tornadoes are expected somewhere in the watch zone and that you have to be aware. You don't really have to, but it's recommended that you are. Having a tornado plan also helps, and that the type of weather, this is the type of weather that means that you should reconsider going out to the road when storms start to approach. And it overall isn't as bad as everything else on the list, but overall, it's just to tell you that tornadoes are possible. The second watch is the PDS Tornado Watch. This is the upscale of the normal tornado watch, which is much more rare and much more extreme. PDS stands for particularly dangerous situation, and unlike normal tornado watches, it would be foolish to pretty much not go anywhere far from the shelter and not to have supplies or a tornado plan. These are usually issued when you're at a moderate or high risk, which on the Storm Prediction Center is a 15% chance for a tornado, and for the high risk, it is 30% or higher. It would tell you if it's a PDS by literally like just reading like what it says or listening to what it says if you have a no weather radio, and it would say or read out particularly dangerous situation. Somewhere in there full caps. Next up, we got the severe thunderstorm warning, specifically the tornado possible tag. This technically isn't a tornado warning, but is the lowest level of a warning that actually indicates that a tornado is possible. Now, this is one of the three threats that they can issue, and for a severe thunderstorm warning of wind, hail, and tornadoes. This means that the thunderstorm does not have rotation, but is capable of getting rotation soon. You can spot this in the list of possible impacts, and it is in full caps tornado possible. It is kind of rare for severe thunderstorm warnings, but it is typically um, one of the first things that they would issue for a strong thunderstorm trying to get into some rotations. Next up, we got a tornado warning radar indicated. This is the lowest level of a tornado warning, which is issued when radar is indicating rotation. Now, this is stronger than a severe thunderstorm warning, but it is still not confirmed, and pretty much nobody can see it on the ground, and there's no funnel cloud yet. Now, this is pretty much where you should start being like, okay, we should probably go to the basement. And pretty much that is when a tornado can be on the ground too, a little bit after, but still it isn't upgraded yet. So that's why it would still just be radar indicated. Next up is the tornado warning confirmed. This is the upgraded version of the radar indicated tornado warning, which means that the tornado is confirmed on the ground and which can destroy property or harm lives. This is when things can get serious and you should probably already be in cover. This is either confirmed by like storm chasers, cameras, radar, which can catch debris, or like storm spotters and other things that can also confirm it. It would say pretty much confirm on like the same area where the radar indicated, and pretty much for the next two warnings I'm going to mention as well for tornadoes, it's going to be mentioned all in the same place when you either hear it or read it on your phone whenever you get a tornado warning. PDS tornado warning is similar to a watch, but is more extreme version of the normal tornado warning. This is when a confirmed tornado is likely to be strong and is heading toward some like populated place, or maybe it's just a confirmed strong tornado. It could be either of the two, it could be both. So this one right here needs to be very seriously taken. It is very rare, but it is issued when it needs to be. So yeah, you just need to know that whenever you get issued that. Lastly, we got the tornado emergency. This is the most serious, rare, and extreme version of a tornado warning that you can get. It is often used when a confirmed strong tornado is heading towards a major population area. But sometimes it could also be issued when just a strong tornado is confirmed and exists. And it's not often violent. Like these things could be issued for an EF2, but it is confirmed and it is very dangerous and it is issued not it's like not even above like 30 times a year. So you know something is really bad when you get one. If this helped you out a lot, please help yourself and subscribe to my channel. It would help me a ton. And also I have other videos like this that can be coming up pretty soon. I am also starting a brand new series where I'm starting to go through major hurricanes from the past, from Hurricane Galveston to pretty much every single new hurricane that comes up every single season, and pretty much like the next 6 years, at least till we get to the 2025 season. Obviously, there's going to be more added on for the 2026 and seasons after that, and it will be continued then. But right now, I have about 6 planned per year, and yeah, this is going to take a long time. So please show support. Please go to my first one, and which is the Galveston Hurricane, which will be uploaded sometime in April. So please be there. Anyways, thank you for watching, and